Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session I will share with you how you can create your own AI agent that can see and speak. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Also please press the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos you will get the notification of that particular video. Also there is a special membership available for students only, so if you become our member it will really help to create more and more unique videos on this channel. So thank you so much friends, and let's get started. So friends, I will share the GitHub repository link inside my video description box. Simply download the repository and then you have to extract the repository. So repository name is your own AI agent that can see and speak. I have already downloaded the repository. Right click, extract all, click on extract. It will extract the folder. Just open it. Inside that again we have a same folder. Just click on it. That's it. And then here we have the test.py, which is the code. Just double click it and open the code. So this is what TonyPython IDE. You can simply search for TonyPython IDE inside web browser and download the TonyPython IDE, or you can use any Python IDE for this code. So as I mentioned, completely free. There is no need of any API key. Completely free, your own agent which will use the web browser, and then it will access your USB web camera, and what the agent see it will speak. Simple. So we will use here a Flask framework. So this is what the Flask, the module which we import, the Flask. Simple. And then we have simple HTML code. As you can see, this is the simple HTML code. There is no need to mention anything. There is no need to mention API key, nothing. Let's just run the code. It will run the code and then it will fire the link, the localhost link, which you have to open inside the browser. So 127.0.0.1, and this is what the port number. So we will minimize the IDE and we will open our Firefox. So I have opened the Firefox, and then here we want to mention the IP address and the port number, which is 8082. So 127 and 8082. Hit enter. It will open this kind of windows. This is the application, and click on allow. So now as you can see, it started the live webcam. Now let's just say I have here this object, which is the small toy car, and then you have to simply click on analyze frame. It will analyze the frame, it will analyze the object, and then there will be a description. Also it will speak. Simple. So let's just test the demo. You will see small kind of window. It's analyzing.
This webcam frame shows a young man wearing glasses and large headphones, looking directly at the camera with a neutral expression. He is holding a small red toy car in his right hand, positioned close to the camera. In the background, there is a cabinet and some patterned fabric or clothing draped over furniture, with a small table visible to the left. The timestamp on the top left corner indicates it was taken on July 7, 2025 at 1:47 and 45 seconds p.m.
Simple. So now we will test another object. I have here a Fevistick. Let me click on analyze frame. It will analyze.
This webcam frame shows a man wearing glasses and a pink shirt, sitting indoors. He has his eyes slightly squinted and is looking at the camera. He is wearing large black headphones with a microphone attached. In his right hand, he is holding a yellow glue stick labeled Fevistick. In the background, there is a small glass table with a red striped item on it, some cabinets, and a patterned curtain or cloth partially visible. The timestamp in the top left corner indicates the date and time as July 7, 2025 at 1:48 and 35 seconds p.m.
So simple friends, let me close and then we will simply stop the code. So this is how friends, 100% free, no need of any API key. your own AI agent on your own local host. I hope you learned something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.